Happy Sunday, good people. Today I want to go over my watch list for the upcoming week. I came across some hitters. I think you will enjoy this. This is a good one. I guess starting off, I could talk about SPY real quick, real briefly. Okay, so if you got chopped up last week, there's a reason why. Because we stayed inside week. So if you're not an experienced trader, you fell right into the trap. So basically, SPY never broke the low of the previous week nor the high of the previous week. It stayed inside. The high and low stayed inside of the previous week's candle. So it was very difficult for a lot of traders to make consistent money. You know, we all made some money, I'm sure, but consistently, right? Chop. So you got to be prepared for moments like that. But that's what the market makers, they love to do. They love to manipulate us. And then the following week, boom, we get some type of big move. So I say I have to say, SPY is setting up for a good move. Above 670, we can go 312 up, right? That could be a powerful move. We can take out this 673 and 679. Now, even though a lot of people got chopped up, like I said, a lot of us still made money. So I was able to, get like 272% out of SPY. That only took a few minutes because, SPY pay you, but you got to play your cards right. And SPX, they all pay you pretty good and fast, but you got to play your cards right. I'm telling you. All right, so let's get into my watch list tickers. I would honestly say my favorite ones going into this week, as far as day trades, not swing trades. So I'll pretty much be in and out of these. And I guess I'll go over some swing trades as well that we're looking at. But as far as day trades, Google, love this setup. We did a 3-2 up reversal on the week last week. So now Google comes back and gives us a failed 2 down on a day. So look, that's one form of manipulation right there. I love playing manipulation plays, right? Where one side's manipulated, so the sellers, of course, were manipulated. We took out that previous candle low, boom, go down, come back up. So that ended green. So what I'll be doing, I'll be looking at that 12-hour. I like this 3-1-3-1 setup. So what I want actually is one more form of manipulation. How will I get that? I want them to break this low pre-market, like boom, and then come back up. I want all that to happen pre-market and give us a 3. We get a 3. Oh, I'm taking calls from the bell. I'm not gonna hesitate because it's like we already got the move, right? We got an outside candle. One more form of manipulation for me. I'm taking it, and I'm looking to at least hit 256 or 258. And also, we get over this level. That's what? A 2-2 reversal. 2-2 reversal back up. So that's another powerful setup there. Airbnb is another one I'm loving. And they both actually have a squeeze here, short squeeze. But that's for another day. But anyway, this is a 3-1. So it's an actionable signal. We have full time frame continuity from the daily all the way out to the quarter. So this can go 3-1, 2 up above 126. But I'm not even going to wait for that. This is how I trade. You can wait for your triggers. You can do whatever you want to in your account. But this is what works for me. Okay. So I play manipulation. Boom. I want to move down pre-market, then to move back up. Probably as soon as market open or pre-market, don't matter. As long as I want a 3 right in here, boom, go up, start taking out some levels. Boom, 126, 128. And, I ain't gonna lie, I could go up some more, but I'm gonna show y'all why I love it. Love this particular setup. These are previous trades like Oxy, right? So where we had a failed 2 up. All right, so let me take out my power candle so you'll see it clearly. We had a failed 2 up here. So price failed to stay a higher high, higher low, which is a 2-up candle. It failed to stay green basically on the day. It turned red, so that gave me an actionable signal to the downside. So go down to my 12-hour. Boom, pre-market. This is what we did. Let me do this real quick so you can see it better. Real quick. All right. Boom, boom. Start new. Bam. All right. So I'm gonna let this play out. Okay. Watch what it does. We go up. Bam. And come back down. Okay. That's what I want. I want that manipulation. Once we get back under that one, flush. So there'd be 2 levels of manipulation that's happening on this particular ticker. So, like I said, Google, Airbnb, get ready to do the same thing. All right? Manipulation. I love manipulation because you end up on the correct side of the trade. Just like market makers know what they're doing when they move in price the way they move price. And they love to trap retail traders. Right? So try to start being on the other side of that trade. So that's as far as day trades, though. That's what I look for as far as day trades. Now, not gonna lie, another form of manipulation is on McDonald's. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Let's go here with it. Month. So I am loving this month. Okay, so we have the failed 2 down on the month. And the first thing I actually noticed was the triple inside quarter. That's Q1, Q2, 3, and 4. Now we're hammering above the 50%. Like, come on, you can't ask for anything better than that. This is a solid setup. Yes, I will be, or myself and the team will be getting in tomorrow, loading this bad boy up. All right, because there was manipulation right here. This is a failed 2 down. So I believe price is going to continue to push up, start taking out some levels. Definitely going to take out at 319, 326, and then eventually 339. So I'll be posting the particular contracts I'm looking to purchase. I'll be doing that all inside WAP and all that good stuff. So yeah, so these are a few tickers that I'm looking to get into, and I'll actually be adding more to my position on PGEN. This is a potential 300% profit gain. All we have to do is get to $5. Boom, 300% profit on some November contracts. So this is going to be a banger. This is called a short squeeze trade. So there's over, I want to say like 30% of people are shorting this stock, right? So they're looking to push this stock up because they have to buy back in. So if you don't know what the short squeeze is, go to YouTube, look it up. But this should continue to pop. We have 4 time frame continuity now. Failed 2 down on the month. Manipulation, which I love. Boom. Breakout. So let's get it. Let's crush it this week, y'all. Let's go to the next level.